Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can sign into PlayStation 5 network. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus, PlayStation Store, and here in the top, you're gonna find games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it, right here you're gonna find online status, profile, trophies, switch users, and lastly logout. So if you want to sign into your PSN account, go ahead and click on switch user. Then right here you're gonna find all of the users you have, and here in the left you're gonna find add user. Go ahead and click on add user, and then right here you have two options. You can add a user to this PlayStation 5, or you can play as a one-time guest. So right now, go to add a user to this PlayStation 5, click on get started, and then once you do that, go ahead and click on I agree, then click on confirm, and then you're gonna be right here in this page. Once you're here, you can scan this QR code to sign in directly to your account. Or right here, you're gonna find sign in manually, create an account, and skip and play offline. So right now, we're gonna click on sign in manually, and then right here, add your sign in ID. So the sign in ID means your email address. Go ahead and type your email address right here. And then once you do that, you need to add your password. So firstly, we're gonna add the email address really quick like this. Then go ahead and click on done on or R2, and then add your password right here. So once you add your password, go ahead and click on sign in, and then just wait for it to load. So we're gonna wait for it to load, and then as you can see guys, we're gonna click on OK. Then this will take us right here. Just wait a little bit. And then as you can see guys, we are signed in to this PlayStation Network account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.